Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, talking about that generation right here guys, between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys need to find where the relay for the AC clutch is located, where the AC compressor clutch relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays from, and why it's important to test relays and fuses so you don't waste your time and money, stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here, but even if you have a different year, but that generation F-150 video may be helpful. And now always check the fuses for the AC clutch as well. You may have up to 2 fuses. We have the video on our channel, check it out on Free Car Repair. We're going to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood, right above the radiator. You will have that fuse box. You can see that's the cover, and once you open that fuse box guys, okay, it's going to look just like this one. Perfect. You will be on this side, the windshield will be towards this side. Now let's explain why it's important guys to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you come right here guys, okay, you can see you have 3 different kinds of relays. Now those relays could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere or driving through small towns. They could be really pricey too, so I'll recommend put some of those as spares in your glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, a quick shipping. Check out the link. The relay for the AC clutch will be located guys in that second row right here, that first relay on the left side. Okay, next to that fuse, that relay right here will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.